Do you currently own a property in Spain, or are you about to purchase one? Most owners of Spanish property are not aware that their beneficiaries and their estate may have to pay inheritance tax both in their country and in Spain. Spanish law dictates that a non-resident beneficiary must pay Spanish inheritance tax on the assets they inherit in Spain. The amount payable to the Spanish tax office can be anything from 7.65% to 34%, but can be as high as 82%. This must be paid within 6 months of the death, otherwise fines and interest may be charged on top of the tax already due. And in worst case scenario, an embargo or charge placed on your property. The tax is not fixed and is determined by the relationship to the deceased, their residency status, and their existing wealth in Spain. Did you know it's common practice for lawyers and tax advisors who are not conversant with both Spanish and UK jurisdictions to advise based on their own, often insufficient knowledge? The most common advice is to prepare a Spanish will to avoid the tax. But as the tax is paid by the person inheriting the asset, the existence of a will does nothing to minimise this. There are also times when a separate will in Spain complicates matters and increases legal costs. There are other bad suggestions of Spanish or offshore companies, remortgaging the property or placing in children's names, and even not informing Spanish tax office of the death to evade the tax. Well, Wincham have the solution and method to help transfer or purchase your property into a UK limited company to avoid Spanish inheritance tax. We are an international organisation comprising of qualified professionals in both jurisdictions, including tax consultants, lawyers, solicitors, will writers, estate planners, chartered accountants, members of the Institute of Credit Management, and a company formation agent. Wincham supplies a comprehensive service covering UK and Spanish legal, accounting and taxation matters. Within our group, we have membership to the Association of International Property Professionals and solicitors regulated by the Law Society. We oversee the complete process through our own legal team, both in the UK and Spain. So rather than outsourcing any part of the process, Wincham manage everything. Wincham is the market leader in helping clients create their own UK limited company and to invest their Spanish property into it, of which the client will be the director and shareholder and have total control. Contrary to popular belief, there will be no 7 to 10% property transfer tax payable on this transaction. Our method enables clients to utilise Spanish legislation to conveniently own and maintain their holiday or retirement home within a corporate structure in the most tax-efficient way. For your free personalised Spanish inheritance tax illustration and costings, simply enter your details into the form on the right of this page and one of our consultants will contact you directly. We look forward to securing your future.